All right, it's my first attempt at any YouTube video. I'm gonna try my first hand unboxing video. So this is the collaboration from Shinola watches and Burton snowboards. The Burton commemorative watch. Ordered direct from Shinola on a Friday and arrived today on a Tuesday. So this box, this the cooler it comes with. I'm guessing it holds everything. Pretty cool. Kind of looks like a boot bag, but I think it doubles as a cooler and it's holding everything inside. But it's got pretty nice, like, leathery, suede-y kind of feeling material. So I'll open her up. Before I open that, see what this is. Comes with some reading material. Story of Jake Burton Carpenter. Leather cooler bag. In multiple languages. All right. Right on Jake. And here is the book, Jake's book, with the 13B logo. Have as much fun as possible, Jake. Pretty cool. I'm sure it's got everything in there ever about Burton snowboards. There's the BB one there. Which is the replica board that comes with this set. Take a look at all this later. And here you got the watch. Very nice. I think this is based on the Shinola Duck watch. Don't hold me to that. Not bad. Not bad. And in here, you got another bag. Comes with more stuff. Jake Carpenter ID. Stable employee license. New York State Racing and Wagering Board. I guess it's a gambling license, I guess, that Jake used to have. Well, yeah, the strap it comes with. And that's about it for that.
What's the strap for?
To change out on the watch. So you just have another option. Kind of cool. And I guess you take this whole part out and this whole thing becomes a cooler, which is pretty nice.
That's coming to the beach.
Yeah. All right, now we move on to the big box. So I'm really excited for. Box in a box. Sweet. Oh, cool.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Pretty sick.
Wait.
replica of Jake's first board, the BB1, 1977. Really, really nice. The old rails on the side.
What's the rope for?
So you'd strap your foot into here, another foot under here, and then you would hold the rope, and that would hopefully help you stick to the board.
Are you gonna use the board?
Not at all. This is purely decorative, although I really might have to maybe one time try. And that's it. All right, thanks.